Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how can we set up e-commerce data layer for BigCommerce store for conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager. So let's share my screen and let's get started. I hope you see my screen, and we definitely need Google Tag Manager, then a BigCommerce store to set up the data layer, and we also need a data layer script to send the e-commerce value like the purchase, the add to cart, the view item, then the parameter like the item ID, then value, currency, then item name, etc. So this is the tag manager that we're gonna use, and this is the BigCommerce store that we're gonna use, and actually this one the script to enable the data layer. So let's get started. So we will set up this tag manager and we will set up the script on this store. At first we have to go to theme, then script manager, then we have to add a script. So create a script, then I already include everything here. So it will work on header, okay, then front page, not all pages, then essential, I think script. Yeah, now at first we have to copy and paste the GTM script. So yeah, let's first add the GTM, then we have to add the data layer here. So let's copy the full data layer code, yeah, then just paste here. Okay, now this data layer I have an advanced feature called the event prefix. See here, so if we type something like the Zubayer, then it will come before the event name. So let's test. Okay, then we have to use a script name. We can name it like the GTM data layer. Description I think optional, so no need to add, just save it. Now we can preview from GTM, then we can test the data layer. So let's preview. Okay, we need the website store, so yeah, okay, this one the store URL. Okay, let's paste, then connect. Okay, it's connected, right? Now we can view a product to see the view item data layer. So let's open this one. Oh, I don't see the data layer, but why? Okay, let's try again, because this is happening for the cookie maybe. Yeah, it is coming now. So I see Zubayer view item, then data layer. On the data layer I have the item name, item ID, everything here. Now if I go back to the dashboard again and remove the Zubayer from the data layer, it will come based on GA4 data layer format. So let me do it here. Let me edit, then just remove the Zubayer from the event prefix. Okay, then save it. Now let's refresh 2 times, because sometimes it is not working for the cookie. So let's do now it should work based on GA4 format. Yeah, it is working based on GA4 format. And now if I check add to cart, it should also work. Yeah, add to cart is working and data is coming. Then if I go to the cart page, so view cart should come. Yeah, view cart. Okay, nice. And I see the total value, then item, I mean the currency, everything here. Then checkout. Okay, it is loading. Okay, now I get the checkout event with total value, then item data, also the e-commerce page type, everything here. Now if I purchase a product, let's use my detail. Okay, here I have a coupon code to test, so this one is test. Let me apply. It should work. Okay, yeah, it is working. Now let's use my detail here, then let's continue. Okay, continue. Okay, now I should get some event called, yeah, I'm getting the payment info, then begin checkout here, and I should also get the purchase. It is loading, just a minute. Okay, now I place order. Okay, order is placing. Now I should get the purchase event with all the data and the user data. I mean the item data, then normal the value, currency, also the user data. So let's check. Okay, under the e-commerce I have all the data like the value, currency, transaction ID, subtotal, discount, shipping, tax, coupon, everything. I also have the item data, then I also have user data like the user email address, phone number, first name, last name, country, religion, state, city, zip, everything. So I hope you got it and you understand everything. So data layer is working perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you need help with setup or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.